Do and take this out, dump that, and your bag does not fill up. You'd save money on shop vac bags. So I wanted to show you my Cyclone dust collection system. So I have the dust deputy on top. I've got a bucket that it drops down into and a shop vac down below. On the back, coming out of the shop vac through some PVC pipe, up into the dust deputy, out into tube, and in the back, in this case in the back of my table saw, but you can also plug that into my miter saw. So this is a dust collection cart. The basic cart, you don't need to have the plug and the switch. I added those later after using it for a good year. Now just have to plug the shop vac into the set of 4 plugs. I've got a beige one and a white one, but that's what I had laying around. I've got a switch on top, turn on the shop vac, plug multiple tools in here. I usually only just plug the one in at a time because I move it around. A heavy duty extension cord that I cut the end off, and this is what I use to plug into the wall. So this saves a lot of your bags. So all the dust goes in the Cyclone, particles drop down into the bucket, and the air continues to flow through the tube into the shut down the back and into the shop vac. I can show you here. I just get a piece of wood here. You can see that's raised up. Pull that out, that lowers it. So on top, I've got just a pipe. What do you call that? Pipe insulation. So in there I've got a bunch of dust. Dump it already. Why not? Empty bucket, pile of dust. And here's what it looks underneath. It's just got a hole cut. Put these brackets in place, but they were too big, so I just had these wedges that I stuck down just to keep it from moving around. Just kind of wedge that down in place. So I got some duct tape. I really don't take the shop vac out, but it is possible. You can see how clean it is inside. I do use a bag because it's an extra filter. But you can see there's a little bit of... I've had this bag in here for a long time. There's only like not much dirt in there. The Cyclone sucks the big particles out so it doesn't fill your bag up. Can't actually pull that out, it's flared. But let's hook this back up. Down here, I just added stick, piece of plywood. Stick that in there. Boom. That holds that in place. On the back, same thing. Way the attachments come around wherever I go, and this one, that's just coil the cord.